Okay, folks, Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Good after morning. We're taking a look at all of the sweet potatoes that we have on the property right now. These are growing in pots. This is the Tainung 64 variety. All Tainung 64 growing in the understory of the oaks. Doing exceptionally well. You can see all of them here in the patch. Now, we had planted some grocery store varieties in here last year late, but I really don't see any of them surviving. I don't see them at all. They seem to have died off completely, unless that's one. That could possibly be one right there. That would be the only one I see. So it is April the 14th, 2022. Now, we just planted a bunch of clippings, and basically the stems and the tubers that were left behind from our little harvest from the sunny location of the Tainung 64 sweet potatoes. And what you see here is they are just growing like weeds now. So if you look over here too, I placed some that I was growing inside from the sweet potato themselves. I placed them over here. These are not dead. They just look very parched at the moment. This one looks like it got chewed on a little bit by a critter. But they're gonna look like that very soon. Probably in a couple weeks. I want to show you something else too. It's kind of astonishing, really. This Tainung 64 sweet potato seems to love the Florida climate way more than I had anticipated. Almost to the point of where it could become a rapacious weed. But in a situation where you need a lot of food, and trade conditions are really messing up the supply chains, this is the perfect garden crop to have here in Florida. Now, this is the bed, as you can see, that I had the Tainung 64 sweet potatoes in, and I thought I got every little last bit of them that were underground, but apparently there was a little bit of a tuber left. It doesn't take much. If you leave behind even a little sliver, a little tiny, the size of your pinky nail, you're gonna get more plants. So it's really insane how prolific these things are and how well they do here. But hey, if you get some of these, you're not gonna have starvation issues in an economic calamity, so to speak. Check out my other videos on how to cultivate these and how to propagate them and spread them if you want to learn. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps our channel out quite a bit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of the Tainung 64 sweet potato. Have a good day.